The Jupiter DEX just announced active staking rewards. So for staking your JUP tokens and voting on governance, you'll earn future rewards and airdrops. The Jupiter exchange has announced 50 million JUP tokens and 7 billion WEN tokens are up for distribution. So today I wanted to cover a quick guide on how to stake your JUP tokens and how to vote on governance proposals so you can start earning future rewards and airdrops. This is a quick and easy tutorial. Let's get started. So we're all familiar with passive staking, and Jupiter has taken a different approach, which they're calling active staking. So to earn these future rewards and airdrops, the JUP DAO is looking for two things. Number one, stake your JUP token, and number two, vote on governance proposals. So they're really looking for users to be active participants in the platform and vote with their tokens. So in order to stake your JUP, first you'll have to acquire some JUP, so make sure you buy some on the exchange and then scroll over to this cat icon and click on the governance tab. This would bring you to the DAO voting section. So here you'll first have to stake your JUP. So keep in mind, every one JUP token equals one vote. So the more JUP you stake, the more voting power you have. And this will be directly proportional to the amount of rewards you will receive. So the more you stake, the more you will earn. So up for grabs, over 50 million JUP tokens in the future and over 7 billion WEN tokens. So once you connect your wallet, we're going to go ahead and stake all of our current tokens. I have 11 in this wallet. We'll hit max and click stake and approve the transaction on your wallet. Great, that was successful. So that's the first step of the process. The second step would be to vote on a governance proposal. So at the time of filming, the first round of LFG voting has already closed, so we'll have to wait for round 2 to open. So make sure you keep an eye out on this page to see when round 2 will open. So let's say round 2 opens up, and let's pretend it's this page, and on this specific proposal, you'll be able to vote either yes or no. Doesn't necessarily matter how you vote, but if you vote. So definitely make sure you vote on time. Cool, and that's pretty much it, how to stake your JUP and begin voting. Like I mentioned, the JUP DAO wants you to be an active participant, so definitely keep checking weekly. You're free to top up your JUP stake. You can always add more, and if for some reason you wanted to unstake, you would click on start unstake here. Keep in mind that does take 30 days to unstake. So I wouldn't necessarily split my stake and vote between different wallets because the DAO is taking into account the amount of JUP you're using, so it doesn't matter if it's in one wallet or 10 wallets. What matters is the size of your vote, so the more JUP tokens you stake and vote, the better. And here's a freebie under the trade and earn section. You can also buy the JLP token, which is the Jupiter liquidity provider. This is separate from JUP staking, but the JLP currently has a super high APR of almost 140% APY. So by simply buying the JLP token, you'll start earning rewards generated by the exchange. So the higher the volume on the exchange, the more swaps people make, the higher the APY and the more rewards you'll earn in JLP. I do recommend you buy some JLP as well on the side and hold on to that token. It's that simple. So obviously stay up to date with all reward and airdrop news on their official Twitter page at Jupiter Exchange. Happy farming. If you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.